Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about AP State Council of Higher Education semester wise revised syllabus under CBSE. So this is the syllabus for 3rd BSc 5th semester students. The paper title is Python for Data Science. Okay. So from today onwards I am going to teach Python for Data Science concepts in this channel both in Telugu and English. Okay. So ఈరోజు నుంచి మన ఛానల్లో పైథాన్ ఫర్ డేటా సైన్స్కి సంబంధించిన ప్రతి టాపిక్ కూడా తెలుగు అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో అవైలబుల్లో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ముందుగా మన ఛానల్ని ఇంకా ఎవరైతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదో ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ద సిలబస్ ఫర్ పైథాన్ ఫర్ డేటా సైన్స్ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ టు డేటా సైన్స్, వై పైథాన్ అండ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ టు పైథాన్, and also essential features of Python and also some basic concepts. Those are features, identifier, reserved words, indentation, and also decision making and looping statements and functions. So this is all about first unit. In the second unit, user defined modules and packages in Python. Okay, and also exception handling, OOPS concepts, object oriented programming language concepts. The third unit is NumPy basics. Okay, and also universal functions in Python. And fourth unit is introduction to pandas data structure and also summarizing and computing descriptive statistics. Okay, this is the fourth unit. And the fifth unit is data cleaning and preparation and also plotting with pandas. So this is the syllabus for 3rd BSc 5th semester students. So the paper title is Python for Data Science. Okay, so for more videos please do subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.